Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel. I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on a Volvo. And this is a 20 valve overhead cam 5-cylinder engine. First thing we're going to do is remove the air filter box. Alright guys, once you get the air filter, top of the air filter box removed out of the way, you can get right in there to 10mm bolts that hold the coil onto the strut tire assembly. And there's 3 of them. There's one right there, one right there, and then one right there underneath. Alright, let's get those removed. Alright guys, once you get the old coil assembly out of the way, you simply reverse the process and let's bolt the new one in place. Well, in this case it's not a new one, we got a used one from a vehicle that we got that was totaled, so we're putting it on this customer's car because they're trying to sell the car, so they don't want to put a lot of money into it. So we're cutting them a deal and putting a good used one on it. So here's the old one, the one we just took off the car, and here's one that's been marked as good that we're going to install on the car. So we're going to get that one installed on the car.